Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to send USDT from Binance to Binance using ID. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, if you're new to Binance or if you haven't signed up yet, or even if you do, you can go ahead and click the link below here in the description or under comments. Just click on it and sign up using this link and you will earn an exclusive lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus, okay? And also it will help support the channel. So going back in here, just go ahead over to your Binance app. Now once it's opened, make sure that you're under exchange and just tap on assets, okay? Assets or wallet. And here go ahead over to your funding or spot wherever your USDT is located, okay? And just tap on USDT. And once done, go ahead over to the send button. Tap on it. Now in here, as you can see in the very first option, we have Binance internal transfer sent via email, phone ID, sent to Binance users. Just tap on it. Okay. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, you can now go ahead and type down the email or phone or even the Binance ID of the person that you wanted to send the USDT to. Okay. You could go ahead over to your contacts right here or type down the email manually. Okay. Here you have Binance ID as well. Ask for their Binance user ID and just hit on continue. Okay. So basically you'll find the Binance ID under the app home. Click the pay icon at the top right corner or maybe at the top left right here. So just basically enter a Binance ID or email or phone. Then once done, just hit on continue and the next page, it will just ask you for the amount that you wanted to send and add in a note. All right. Once that's done, just hit on the send button right here at the very bottom. And that is it. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.